Lecture number 15, Male Sterility. What is male sterility? Male sterility refers to the condition in plant in which plant do not produce pollen grains, and if they produce, they are non-functional. एखाद्या वनस्पतीमध्ये परागकण तयार होत नाहीत किंवा परागकण तयार झाले तर ते अकार्यक्षम असतात. अशा कंडिशनला मेल स्टरिलिटी म्हणायचं. मेल स्टरिलिटी म्हणजे कुवंधत्व, नपुसकता. परागकण तयार होत नाहीत किंवा परागकण हे अकार्यक्षम असतात. अशा प्लॅंटमधल्या अवस्थेला मेल स्टरिलिटी असं म्हणायचं. सो मेल स्टरिलिटी रेफर्स टू द कंडिशन in which plant do not produce pollen grains, or if they are produced, they are non-functional. So non-functional pollen grains will not fertilize the flower. Non-functional pollen grains will not fertilize the flower, so fruits are not formed and seeds are not formed. So there is no seed production or fertilization of seed and fruit. So fertilization do not take place due to non-functional pollen grains. Male sterility is of 5 types. 5 types of male sterility are present. We can bring male sterility in plant by 5 methods. 5 types. So first is genetic male sterility. Genetic male sterility means in genetic male sterile plants, male sterile genes are present on chromosomes. Means nuclear genes are male sterile. So such type of male sterility is called genetic male sterility. Means GMS, capital G, capital M, capital S. GMS means genetic male sterility. Here the nuclear genes are male sterile. Then second one is cytoplasmic male sterility. It means genes which are present in cytoplasm are male sterile. So male sterility of plant is due to male sterile genes present in cytoplasm. So such condition is called cytoplasmic male sterility. Then in some plants male sterility may be due to both nuclear genes as well as due to cytoplasmic genes. Such type of male sterility is called as genetic cytoplasmic male sterility or cytoplasmic genetic male sterility. So such type of male sterility is called as cytoplasmic genetic male sterility. Cytoplasmic genetic male sterility. In this condition, plants will have male sterile genes on chromosome, means on nucleus, and it also have male sterile genes in cytoplasm. Means male sterility is effected or produced by both cytoplasmic genes and nuclear genes. So these three types of male sterility. Then Fourth one is chemically induced male sterility. Means male sterility can be artificially produced by using some chemicals. So it is called as chemically induced male sterility. So after use of some chemicals, male sterility character comes in the plant. Such type of male sterility is called chemically induced male sterility. Then again fifth type of male sterility is transgenic male sterility. So some microorganisms are there in which male sterile genes are present, and male sterile genes from microorganisms are transferred in the plant by genetic engineering, and male sterility character is introduced or induced in plants. Microorganisms contains two types of genes, Barnase and Bar star. Barnase genes support the male sterility. They will induce the male sterility, and these genes are introduced in male sterile line, A line of the crop variety, and bar star genes will not allow male sterility, means it will prevent male sterility, and these types of genes are introduced in restorer line. Restorer lines, in that restorer line, when hybrid variety is to be formed, the restorer line is induced by bar star genes of microorganisms, and male sterile A line are introduced by Barnase, means it will not allow male sterile lines to become male fertile suddenly. So Barnase genes will support or induce male sterility, and bar star genes will prevent the male sterility. So these type of male sterility genes which are introduced from microorganisms by genetic engineering is called as transgenic male sterility. So male sterility is transferred from microorganisms to crop variety. So these are 5 types of male sterility. So we must know the difference between these 3 male sterilities: genetic male sterility, cytoplasmic male sterility, and cytoplasmic genetic male sterility. So first we will see genetic male sterility. Means in genetic male sterility, crop varieties will have male sterile genes in the nucleus, or they are present on the chromosomes of the cell. So chromosomal genes or nuclear genes will produce genetic male sterility. Male sterile genes are present on chromosomes. So small ms will denote the male sterility. Means it is a recessive parent. So this is male fertile line, which is called as bee line, male fertile line. It is used as male parent, and the second line is A line, which is male sterile, means sterile male sterility genes are present in the nucleus, and it is used as female parent. Female parent means pollen grain is transferred from male line to female line, and F1 seeds are produced on female line, on the flower of female line. So seeds of F1 are produced on A line. So F1 will have such type of genes, capital MS and small ms, means F1 is heterozygous, means one allele is dominant and one allele is recessive. When we have to multiply the A line, we have to multiply, we have to cross F1 with F1. So F1 crossed with F1 will again produce one dominant, two recessive, two heterozygous and one recessive plant. And for multiplication or for increasing male sterile line, we can back cross F1 with recessive parent. Then we will get 50% sterile plants and 50% fertile plants. So increase of sterile plant will take place, and at the last we have to cross sterile plants, only sterile plants with desirable variety for getting a hybrid variety. So hybrid variety is made by crossing sterile with R line. So this will produce hybrid variety, and sterile line is maintained by crossing A line with B line, or by back crossing F1 with recessive parent. In this way we can increase the sterile plants, population of sterile plants, and B line is maintained separately. Multiplication of B line is made separately. A line is population of A line is increased by crossing F1 with F1, or by back crossing F1 with recessive parent, and we have to increase the population of sterile plants. And these sterile plants, which are genetic male sterile plants, they are crossed with desirable variety to get a hybrid variety. In this way, male sterility is used in self-pollinated crops for production of hybrid varieties. So hybrid varieties are produced by using genetic male sterility plants in self-pollinated crops. This genetic male sterility, plants which are genetically male sterile, suddenly becomes fertile if there are environmental changes. If temperature is very low or very high, then sterile plants suddenly become fertile. So genetic male sterility character is unstable and not reliable. It is unstable to temperatures and sunlight. So this is a drawback of genetic male sterility. Genetic male sterility is used in hybrid varieties, in the production of hybrid varieties, in seed propagated plants and vegetatively propagated plants. So genetic male sterility character is used in self-pollinated crops for the production of hybrid varieties, in seed propagated crops and vegetatively propagated crops. And this crossing of A line and B line will give rise to heterozygous fertile. Means if one is dominant allele and one is recessive allele, this plant will show fertile character. But it is heterozygous, means one gene, one allele is dominant and one is recessive. If there are both alleles are recessive, then this plant is sterile plant. If one allele is dominant and one is recessive, then this plant is fertile, but it is heterozygous. It is heterozygous fertile. And if both alleles are dominant, then it is homozygous fertile. Homozygous fertile. So this is homozygous fertile, this is heterozygous fertile, and this is homozygous sterile plant, recessive alleles. Then this male sterility is unstable, not reliable. Environmental conditions such as sunlight and temperature will affect the male sterility. Then second is cytoplasmic male sterility. This contains two lines, A line and B line. B line is male parent, A line is female parent. A line will have sterile cytoplasm as well as it will have sterile nuclear genes. B line will have male fertile nuclear genes. It may have cytoplasm may be fertile. Cytoplasm may have fertile genes. When pollen grain will fertilize A line, pollen grain from B line will fertilize A line, then F1 we will get capital MS, small ms means dominant gene, recessive gene, means F1 is heterozygous, fertile, but it will have cytoplasm from female parent. F1 will have cytoplasm from which is derived from female parent, which is sterile. So F1, all F1 will have sterile cytoplasm. So plants of F1 are sterile plants. formation of hybrid variety. Then hybrid variety which is produced or seed which are produced on F1 plant with the help of desirable variety, they are also producing hybrid which is sterile, means cytoplasm of hybrid variety seed is derived from F1 generation which is sterile. So it will not produce fertile seeds, means pollen grains of hybrid seeds are also sterile. Pollen grains of plant which is produced from hybrid variety or hybrid seed which will be also sterile. So this type of male sterility, cytoplasmic male sterility, is used in formation of hybrid varieties of only vegetatively propagated crops like sugar cane or fodder crops. These crops which are multiplied vegetatively generation after generation, in such type of crops, cytoplasmic male sterility is used for the production of hybrid variety. So for the production of hybrid variety in plants, the cytoplasmic male sterility is used in the production of hybrids in self-pollinated crops which are vegetatively propagated. Means in crops in which seeds are of no use. In such crops, with the help of cytoplasmic male sterility, we can produce hybrid varieties. And thereafter, when hybrid variety is produced, then next generations are propagated vegetatively. Cytoplasmic male sterility do not have effect due to environmental conditions such as sunlight and temperatures. So cytoplasmic male sterility is not affected by sunlight and temperature and other environmental conditions. So cytoplasmic male sterility is stable and reliable, and it is nicely used in the production of hybrid varieties of self-pollinated crops in vegetatively propagated crops. When a line, female line, which is having small ms recessive alleles, is crossed with plant of dominant allele, then cytoplasm of A line is sterile and it is female line, female parent. So F1 which is formed will have cytoplasm which is having male sterility genes. So cytoplasm of all F1 individuals is male sterile. So all plants are male sterile, 100% male sterile. Here we get 50% sterile, 50% fertile, but here 100% sterile plants are found. And these directly are crossed with desirable variety to get hybrid seeds. And these hybrid seeds also have sterile cytoplasm. This cytoplasmic male sterility is stable and reliable. Then cytoplasmic genetic male sterility. This is more stable and reliable, and it is used in both seed propagated crops and vegetatively propagated crops. Cytoplasmic male sterility is used in only vegetatively propagated crops. Genetic male sterility is used in seed propagated crop and vegetatively propagated crop, but it is unstable and non-reliable. This is stable and reliable, but it is used only in vegetatively propagated crops, and this is used in both cytoplasmic and this is used in seed propagated crops and vegetatively propagated crops. It is stable, most stable and reliable. In this A line, which is male sterile, it has nuclear genes which are male sterile and cytoplasmic genes which are also male sterile. Means nuclear and cytoplasmic genes both are male sterile. And B line is female parent. A line and B line in all cases are of same variety. All characters of A line and B line are similar in all cases. Only the difference is of male sterile gene. So here there are male sterile genes, here there are male fertile genes in B line. So A line is maintained by crossing B line with A line. So F1 produced is one dominant gene and one recessive gene. Means F1 is heterozygous. A line multiplication of A line is done by crossing F1 with F1 in this way, and we can get male sterile cytoplasmic genetic male sterile only one crop in one cross. So both genes, both alleles on nuclear gene and cytoplasmic gene must be recessive. Here the condition is both cytoplasmic and nuclear genes must be recessive. And to obtain this, we have to cross F1 with F1, so we can get one plant which is cytoplasmic genetic male sterility. And this plant is crossed with desirable variety to get hybrid variety. And this is most stable and reliable male sterility, and it is used in seed propagated crops as well as vegetatively propagated crops. So we have studied difference between three types of male sterility: genetic male sterility, cytoplasmic male sterility, and cytoplasmic genetic male sterility. It is also called as CGMS, cytoplasmic genetic male sterility. So this is stable, but it is used in vegetatively propagated crops, and genetic male sterility it is unstable. So these are the differences between male sterility of